Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Tim Talks, where we talk shop. Today, we're here to talk about mold maintenance and the importance of that. I'm here with Luis Rodriguez, the Director of Operations. Luis is going to explain to us a little bit about our MRO system and our ERP system and how that helps us maintain our molds.
Sure. Hey, good morning. Here at Texas Injection Molding, we have a MRO module where every single tool, it has its own intervals for different levels of PM, level 1, 2, and 3. So once the mold is arrived to our company, they come here, they do a full inspection, depending on what material they're using, depending on the volume shots, the cavitation, they assign cycle time. So in between those cycle times, it reach out, it send an alert to the tool show, send alert to production, and if the mold, the one is ready to come back. So for instance, for level 1, they bring it down. So level 1 is pretty simple. What they do is they do the putty line cleaning. They basically take care of all the putty line, inspect the tool, make sure everything is correct, clean, remove a slide just to make sure water fittings, connections, they sign on, and then they turn them back to production. Then level 2 is the standard cycle time, and that's a little bit more in depth, where they basically take care about level 1 procedure, but then go more in deep and make sure that check the water flow, check all the hydraulic cylinders, and make sure the pressure is correct, make sure that everything is correct, working, make sure that all the plates are not wears, tears, horn pins, and it basically takes longer, but it really prevents the tool for going down once it's running in production. And then the third interval is for the level 3, and that's a complete teardown of the tool. That basically takes, depending on the design of the mold, sometimes some mold takes 1 shift. Other tools takes up to 3 days because of the size of the mold. They have to completely disassemble everything. They take apart the forerunner system. It has forerunner system. They verify thermocouples. Completely is kind of like not refurbished, but they do a very in-depth cleaning of the mold. And as we know, on injection molding, tooling is the heart of our business. So we really take care of the tool shop of all the aspects to maintain and prevent unexpected downtime through the levels. And always using the IQMS system, where we have this MRO system on the ERP, where it's always targeting, and we have already know what molds are coming during the next 48 hours. So we always planning ahead. If there is something going in the shop, the cooling manager, the supervisor guys work together and make sure that everything is in accordance to our schedule. So
yeah, the ERP is really the heart of the PM program. It would be almost impossible to track each individual tool that we have with the amount of tools we have.
Correct.
And everyone has unique characteristics, from the complexities of the geometry in the parts to the types of materials that are ran, and the ERP really allows us to effectively track the cycles and for what we've established is necessary for that particular mold.
Yeah, that's something that we really we're proud to do it, because we use the system where it's 100% reliable, and there is no room for mistakes. All the mold is not going to be. Once the mold is triggered to do that, the mold can go to production. They have to come, they need to go through everything, sign in, sign off. There's a couple of signatures, you and myself, we have to make sure everything's good, and then going back. So,
thank you very much.